Right now, I'm standing in front of a motorhome that honestly shouldn't exist, at least not in this size. I've seen a lot of campers, from budget builds to insane luxury rigs, but this is on another level. It looks premium from a distance, but once you actually start breaking it down, you realize this thing is packed with technology, smart engineering, and some ideas that you almost never see in a vehicle under 6 meters. And the craziest part? It expands. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. Yeah, you heard that right. This is the Xianji Extreme Double Expansion Professional Edition Mobile. Long name, I know, but trust me, by the end of this, you'll understand why it deserves it. Let's start from the outside, because first impressions matter, and this thing makes a strong one. The paint finish immediately stands out. It's got that deep metallic tone that shifts depending on the light. In the daytime, it looks clean and premium. But at night, it almost glows under artificial lighting. This is the kind of color that makes the vehicle look expensive even before you know anything about it. Now let's talk about the feature that completely changes everything, the slide-outs. Most campers, if they have one slide-out, that's already impressive. Some high-end ones have 2. But this one? 3 separate slide-outs. And that changes the entire experience. Once they're extended, the interior space transforms completely. You're no longer in a compact motorhome. You're in something that feels almost like a small apartment. And here's something I really like. The windows inside those extensions can be fully opened. So you're not boxed in. Morning time? Open everything up. Let sunlight flood in, fresh air coming through. Evening? You can sit inside, relax, enjoy the outside view without even stepping out. It gives you that connection with nature without sacrificing comfort. Now moving to the front section, there are some serious functional features here too. Down below, you've got an 8,500-pound winch. That's not just for looks. If you ever get stuck or if you need to help someone else, this thing is ready. Up top, powerful LED lights. Perfect for lighting up dark areas, campsites, or off-road environments. And then there are subtle design elements that hint towards something more tactical, more rugged. If you're into military-style builds, you'll definitely notice those influences. But again, this isn't just about looks. Everything here has a purpose. Now considering this is under 6 meters, space management becomes extremely important. And this is where things get clever. At the rear, you've got a storage system that's actually practical. Instead of just side access where you struggle to reach things, this one gives you easy access from multiple angles. Open the compartments, grab what you need, no stretching, no unloading, everything just to reach one item. It's simple, but it makes a big difference in real use. And stability? That steel and aluminum frame we talked about earlier, it plays a huge role here. When everything is extended, the structure still feels solid. Getting inside is easy thanks to an electric step. Smooth, simple, no effort needed. And the slide-out system itself? Completely self-developed and patented. So this isn't some generic mechanism, they've built it specifically for this vehicle. And here's the important part, even if something fails, battery, system, whatever, you can still operate it manually. So you're never stuck. Now stepping inside. Right above the driver's cabin, you've got a large alcove bed. And this is properly sized, not cramped, not awkward. There's no roof window here, which some people might miss, but you do get 2 large side windows. That means good airflow and a decent outside view. Moving forward, the cockpit itself is surprisingly stylish. White and blue color combination, soft touch materials. It actually feels modern and premium, not like a basic utility vehicle. Now, let's talk about the living area, because this is where you spend most of your time. And honestly, it's exactly what you'd want. Comfortable seating, lots of space, and everything feels usable. The seats are electrically adjustable. One button, lean back, relax. Whether you're resting, watching something, or just chilling, it works. The table is height adjustable and can be converted into a sleeping area if needed. And then there's the panoramic window. This thing stretches across almost the entire sidewall, and yes, it opens. That means massive natural light during the day and a wide open view wherever you park. It completely changes the feeling inside. Now the kitchen. This is actually well thought out. You've got a large work surface, which is something many compact campers struggle with. A nano sink, microwave grill, and stylish cabinets with leather finishing. It all looks clean and modern. Now I'll be honest, if you're taller than around 1.85 meters, you might feel the height a bit limited in this section. But for most people, it works fine. And storage? No problem. There's a full-size refrigerator, plus an additional mini fridge further back. So you're covered for longer trips. There's even a washing machine on board. Yeah, that's not something you see every day in a motorhome this size. Control-wise, everything runs through a central touchscreen system. Lights, power, air conditioning, heating, slide-outs, all controlled from one place. Simple, clean, efficient. And again, backup manual controls are there if needed. So reliability is clearly considered. Now temperature control. This thing uses a central air conditioning system from GREE, with multiple air outlets throughout the vehicle. So instead of one cold spot and one hot spot, you get even cooling everywhere. And of course, it also supports heating, so you're covered in all seasons. Moving towards the rear. There's another sleeping area. Perfect for people who don't want to climb into the alcove. 3 windows for ventilation, soft cushions, and enough space for 2, or even 3 if needed. And importantly, it uses a proper slatted frame with real mattresses, which is something I always say matters the most. Because at the end of the day, no matter how advanced your motorhome is, if you can't sleep comfortably, it ruins the experience. Now here's something really cool. If you want to step outside, but not really leave your vehicle, you can go up. There's roof access, leading to a rooftop balcony. Imagine this. Nighttime. Quiet location. You climb up, sit there, maybe have a drink, look at the stars. Fresh air, open sky, no noise. That's the kind of experience this setup gives you. Now let's talk about one of the biggest problems in most motorhomes, the bathroom. Usually small, cramped, uncomfortable. But not here. Because thanks to the slide out in the bathroom section, it expands. And suddenly, you've got real space. You can actually move comfortably, shower properly, use everything without hitting walls every second. It sounds basic, but it's a huge upgrade. And for entertainment? Instead of a regular TV, this motorhome uses a projector. So you get a full cinema experience inside. Big screen, better immersion, more fun, especially during long trips. Now, let's quickly talk about the technical side. This thing comes with a 48V, 200Ah lithium battery system, a 5000W alternator, 600W solar panels, and a 300-liter fresh water tank. That means it's fully capable of long-term, off-grid travel. You're not dependent on campsites or external power all the time. And now, the big question. Price. In China, this vehicle comes in at around 90,000 euros. And honestly, for what it offers, that's impressive. You're getting a compact motorhome that expands into a full living space, built with strong materials, packed with features, and designed for both everyday use and adventure. So if someone is looking for something that's rugged, comfortable, and ready for long trips, this actually makes a lot of sense. And I'll be honest, I've never seen something quite like this before. Especially not under 6 meters. The fact that they managed to fit 3 slide-outs into the size, that alone is crazy. Now I want to know your opinion. Would you actually travel in something like this? Do you like the design, or is it too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I read all of them. And if you're into unique motorhomes like this, make sure you subscribe, because there's a lot more coming. Because honestly, if this is where compact campers are heading, things are about to get really interesting. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, it really helps the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.